Good morning, ma'am. We are the group for led by Good Sleep Theories. Our presentation is all about the debating, which is the presentation of socio-cultural learning of led by Good Sleep, which is the learners is learning on his own, and then the more knowledgeable others come into his psychodestal zone until the learners can learn in his own into the progress of which you can use in his daily life. So, good morning learners. Welcome to your NC assessment for today. So today, I will teach you how to debate chicken. So, what we need to consider in raising your chicken. So, first to consider is their feeds, their vitality, and their facilities. Also, the space requirement for chicks. So there are several cases which is the chicks is doing cannibalism. So in order for the chicks to avoid cannibalism, you need to perform debating. So debating is the procedure where to maintain to avoid the cannibalism in the chicks. So now I will introduce to you our machine. First, this is the debating machine. This is the turning on of the machine, and this is the controller. So this is our chicks for today. So how to use the debating machine? So first you need to plug this in a circuit, and then you turn this on. Next, you need to wait 3 minutes in order for the lid to heat up. Next, the process of holding the chicks is you will hold like this. Make sure you hold and grip the chick gently and comfortable. Make sure that the chick is not choked. So in performing debating, you need to have the accuracy and fast. You're gonna do like this. You're gonna put like that. Or in a fast cycle in order to trim the beak. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So I request you to this procedure to have performance.
Yeah. I will try it, sir.
Yes. First, we'll hold it like that, then let me see. Okay, you're doing good.
Thank
Next.
you, sir.
First, I'll make sure you grip. Don't choke the chicken. No, you're doing well. Slowly proceed. So, as I see, you're doing well, and also you are a fast learners, trainees. I'm so glad with that. So with that, your certificate will be proceeding to you. So I congratulate you. So this is your certificate. Congratulations. This is.
Okay, good morning class. This day, there will be visitors coming from Peta Farm to check your chicks in your poultry house and observe in you how to treat the chicks correctly. Okay, let's proceed.
Oh no, the chicks are injured.
Oh no.
We need someone, please.
Good morning, sir. We are visitors from Pita Farm, and we are going to check your poultry house.
Okay, so you're the visitor from Peta Farm, and I'm very glad that you choose our center to observe our poultry house. Okay, let's proceed. Yes,
Sir, the chicks are injured.
don't worry, Mr. Kamigan. Exactly. There's a visitor coming from Peta Farm. Maybe we can ask them to help us how to treat the injured chicken.
Oh, your chicks are very injured. What happened to them? As we can see, they are doing cannibalism. We need need to treat them by debeaking. So please come with us. We have there our training center and we have there our debeaking machine so that these chicks will be cured or treated. So let's go.
Once again, good morning, and I'm going to perform the baking. First step, I'm going to introduce what are the equipment, and these are the baking machine. And the first step you will do is, you need to blast it, and you need to turn on, and maximize the heat.
This time, while waiting for the machine to pick up, all we have to do is to hold the cheese like this, gently, so that the cheese will not be choked. And okay, get your cheeks and hold it. Put it in this way. So make sure that your cheeks will not be choked. And then all you have to do is to push the beak of the cheeks here at the end of the machine so that the beak will be clean. So can you do it?
I'll wait first now.
Well, very good. Okay, that's good. Wait, you have to hold it like this. Hold the feathers. Yes, that's right. So, learners, you're doing very well. So, I know someday if there will be cannibalism in your poultry, I know you can do or you can treat your chicks in the future. So now we have some comments as well for your poultry. The first thing you have to consider as well is your housing facilities. You have to make sure that it is well ventilated, and you have to also make sure that your chicks are well fed, so that they will grow healthy and strong. So that's all for today. Oh no, some of our children are injured.
Let's perform the baking.